Another method of separating a solid liquid mixture is filtration. This method is used to separate a solid liquid mixture when the solid liquid mixture is such that solid is insoluble in liquid and has fine particles. These fine particles of solid will remain suspended in the liquid and will not settle down, even if we allow the mixture to stand for a long time. For example, chalk powder present in water. In this method, first we'll take a circular filter paper from the lab and we'll make a cone of the filter paper. Now I'll show you how to make a cone of the filter paper. Though this is not a filter paper, this is ordinary paper. But we'll take such a circular filter paper from the lab. And then we are going to fold this circular filter paper from the middle and change it into half of a circle like this. Then further we are going to fold this half of a circle from the middle and change it into 1/4 of a circle. Now this 1/4 of a circle has got 4 folds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in these 3 folds we will take one side and 1 fold we are going to take one side and make a cone of the filter paper like this. Then we will place this cone of the filter paper in the glass funnel, which has been clamped with the help of a iron stand. So we'll place this cone of the filter paper in the glass funnel like this. Then we'll pour the mixture into the glass funnel slowly with the help of a glass rod. Now this filter paper has got fine pores which will allow only the liquid to pass through it and the solid will be left behind. So the liquid slowly passes through the fine pores of the filter paper and gets collected underneath in the beaker. So this clear liquid which gets collected here is called as filtrate, whereas all the solid particles are left behind on the filter paper and they are called as residue. So this method of separating fine insoluble solid particles from a solid liquid mixture is called as filtration.